In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add your employees inside of BambooHR. It's super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up BambooHR like you usually would. Then from here, it should be looking something like this on the overview side. Then from here, you need to go over to the left-hand menu and go over to where it says People. Then from here, it should be looking something like this with the directory, where you can see all of your existing employees inside of your company. Then from here, you need to click Create New Employee. Then you can see here data will be added or lost with the trial data, blah, 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 blah. Then you need to click Add Anyway. Then from here, as you can see here, you can make everyone's life a little bit easier and send a new hire packet. And you can click this to send a new employee a new hire packet. And this basically means that a new section called Compensation will be added onto your employee list on BambooHR. Then from here, you need to go down to Personal, where you can give the employee an employee number. So let's say I just want to click 01. You can add a first name, a middle name, and a last name, and a preferred name if you want to do that. Down here you can add the compensation like we talked about previously, where you can add the paid schedule every other week, monthly, or twice a month. Down here you can also add a pay type, either salary, hourly, or commission only. And if I click one of these, a new one will pop up called pay rate, where you can add how much you're going to pay this employee per hour or per month or commission based. Down here in the contact info, you'll need to add a work phone, a work email, and a home email if you want to do that. Down here you can also add a job, where you can add in the hire date, and in the employee status, where you can either select contractor, full-time, furloughed, part-time, or add a custom one if you want to do that. Then from here, you need to go down to job information, where you can add the job title, you can add the reports to, you can add the department that this employee is going to be hired into, the division, or the location. Down here you can also add a self-service access, meaning that they'll be able to log into BambooHR using the access level you choose. And if I choose, you can either choose employee US, UK, Canada, or Australia. Or you can choose no access. Down here, you can click Save or Save and create a new hire packet. If I click Save here, you can see that it has been created successfully. Down over here, you can also add a new one if you want to do that. But from here, you can add a photo of this specific employee, and you can change request over here. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!